Mr. Mousy. Now you stay off that leg and do everything I told you, and it'll be just like new in no time at all. Aw, you're welcome. Happy to be able to help. You found a watch? You wanna be a watch? You're running! Running out of time? No, you're late? I'm late for a very important date. The big brunch for Princess Celestia at Sugar Cube Corner. Oh, the princess is here in Ponyville for a party, and we all promised we'd be there, but I'm not there. Oh, do I look all right? Do I need to bring anything? Maybe I shouldn't go. Ah, it's starting. I'm missing it. Oh, thanks, Angel. I mean, if you hadn't reminded me, I might have not remembered, and then I wouldn't be there, and every pony would be wondering where I was, and... Oh, right, I'm late.